Hi Sean, the miracle worker. It's Michael's mum who's speaking. I've popped up here to thank you lots, even though my eyes are leaking. You've supported our son Michael through the hardest time this year, through highs and lows and crises, and through times of abject fear. You've listened and read his rantings, seen the worst and best of him, and not once did you falter or find your patience running thin. You've taken time to see beneath the challenging behaviour, and though you might not think it, you've been a bit of a saviour. His life has not been easy. He's travelled a rocky road. He's made some awful choices that have added to his load. But you saw through those choices to the feelings underneath. You helped him calm his anger and helped restore the peace. You've patiently and quietly plodded the road with him and sat and waited calmly while he's done something on a whim. You've visited and phoned him even when he couldn't respond. Waited until his mind was calm, then waved your magic wand. Actually, Sean, we all know that that is not quite true. None of us have magic wands to conjure up out of the blue. Rather, it is empathy, knowledge, patience and care, even when you're feeling like you could tear out every hair. I'm sorry the poem's soppy. We just wanted you to know how much you are appreciated. We hope we make you glow with pride at what you're doing for lonely souls like Mike, who are desperate for understanding but cannot get quite right. Their way of showing the world that at times they just can't cope, and they are struggling to survive on a really slippery slope. Some of them have families who care as much as us, but others are completely abandoned, thrown under the bus. Each of those vulnerable humans deserves a Sean to help them out, to sit with them and listen to what their life is all about. In the difficult world they inhabit, the world in their heads, the world they hide from many, the world that goes unseen. Many mask their deepest feelings using anger, drink and drugs, making people doing your job sometimes feel like mugs. But you see beneath that blanket of bravado, guilt and shame. You help them put their life into a completely different frame. We want to thank you so much for sticking by our son and helping others see just why he seems to want to run from anyone who's trying to help him reframe his life, from all those people watching as his mood can take a dive. Sometimes watching is all we can do while standing in the wings, while to some fragile string of life these people can just cling. Being able to jump in quickly low the moment their minds are clear is what so made the difference to our son's most difficult year. Thank you, Sean, for who you are and the amazing job you do. Thanks for believing in Michael and giving him strength anew. As you step back from supporting him and place that in others' hands, we hope you'll pat yourself on the back as you move to other plans. Keep doing what you do because you are literally saving lives. Keep listening to their inner voice, their desperate hidden cries. For somebody who gets them, who's with them as long as it takes. Thank you, Sean Ferrugia, for the difference that you make. Thank you.